We want to say big good afternoon for outside the country people. Then we glad for meet up una this number 27 day for Inside the Moon country people. Them when I sabi say for Pidgin debate, Pidgin news debate, we return back for some of the strong story them we pass for inside the week, and some of the story them we sabi say the week. Ebidena Wowo 1 for population for Douala, population for Marua, population for Limbem, for Sika, the plenty water way it throw away for ground, people them die, now so too plenty cargo then say they spoil for Sika the rain. We go talk that palava plenty this afternoon, we go concentrate over on top that one, and just for Sabi say for the same story, we go turn back for check palava results where it become out GCA results. Sabi say this year, according to book way minister for college book, he be sign am, he talks a result for the year, he better pass the one for 2017. We get teacher, we go talk on top that palava today small. Then we go enter to for this Ndonga men, we at big people them for church, they say it go happen for August moon, for say make they see as well they feel help, for say make palava for northwest and southwest, a try for Cosmo. We go talk all that in them this afternoon, but as I talk for now, we go talk plenty now for the water and the road we don't cut, we don't make people that they suffer small for Komogo Yarende since the midweek, all that one then so with my stranger them. Today we get two people them, one una go sabi the face fine, other one na just new member for Inside Pidgin News Debate, we una go the UC face all the time as we time they pass. So did they ever talk say for Queen Elisa I can't talk ladies before gentlemen, whether the man or pass woman on how now ladies before gentlemen. So woman first before we turn for man. La Gabonese.
Yes, good morning.
They talk say when they see you for equinox in the Cameroon.
Yes, yes.
We're glad for get you back, and one talk official Asia will you be lost your mother-in-law.
Yes.
Asia and Asabi say we bury we do bury a fine.
Yes, yes.
So one glad say don't come back and you don't can show me your eye for Equinox Story House.
Yes, good morning, good afternoon for all people in the look Equinox for outside day, and good morning for people for Fondanti where they plenty today for look Equinox. All
right, thank you plenty, La Gabonese. Another person I go see face and I don't face see himself. Camera don't face fully, you know, she show face. Now, Ogan Dumu Ruben ISSF na the first time he enter for Tori House, and maybe go be normal man all the time. Ogan Dumu, I want to say thank you plenty for your time. As I be saying normally now, so you begin for being for inside your school, for see as we picking the come, for start talk for them, say no, na so. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Mr. Ambassador. Thank you for this opportunity we don't give me for the very first time, and I hope say people that they outside there, they try for look we try for see same disgusting way don't happen for inside Douala as far as this particular week is concerned. Thank you, Mr. Ambassador. All
right, thank you plenty, Ogan Dumu. Just for Sabi say SSM na strong man for school, now why that will bring you for here. It the local to Atlanta, it the local to Oxford Evening School for this side, for Douala side. So, Tori for this afternoon, we go first start now with the palava for exam. We go talk first for book. We talk this palava GCE results we come up for inside the week. Sabi say will be tonton for inside Bonaberry, where we see picking them way after they look their a result. All man, it be the glad for Sika the better result where they don't do harm. One the way they pass, all man be the glad for Sika say results, it be better fine. Teacher themselves, they be get plenty work for check picking their name them for a result book way they don't send them for them. Sabi say for that side, someone they be the cry. No be now for Sika say they fail exam, but now for Sika say they pass, and the team be surprised and where inside this palava. So now over cry for glad way it be pass so for that side, so for inside the first school will turn inside for Bonaberry side. After that one will be turn enter for inside Atlanta school for Atlanta SSF. Will meet up picking them. If it then a better results where people then too for that side for Atlanta they be get them for DM. Plenty picking the way they right for they make better results as where people then SSF picking them. All man if it then for glad. Sabi say according to bookway minister for college book it be sign Ma Pauline Nalova Lunga, he talks a result for the year. It better pass the one for last year. If you want look and say fine, all A levels when an advanced level 2000 2018, it get na 67.5%. 2017, it began at 35.3%. O level for 2018, na 50%. Then for 2017, 25.29%. Advanced level technical for 2018 result, 73.4%. Then 2017, they beget na 22.3%. O level technical for tell we say the result better for 2018, 58.2%. Then for 2017, they began at 28.4%. So now, so the team be passed this year. I go turn first for teacher, then now so I go meet up mommy with the same picking them for school, make each other talk. So Ogandumu, you be person way you day inside plenty for inside this school work first. The result for this year, minister already talk am, I would already read them. It shows say thing they be better past 2017. Wait till you check say you be pass or back for the result for BSOD year.
Yeah, Mr. Ambassador, thank you for that very question, and thank you for the question again, because when we see things where GC board don't send out this year like results, we not be surprised, because last year we know they say school year be go with a lot of hitches. Plenty people they never go to school. Someone they be feel say the school year will be effective, exam will be effective, but along the line they see say the school year be go to go end. Now why that this particular year will end, so you realize that there will be a lot of changes. Side for administration, side for the picking them, even side for the parent them. And with the still life for talk saying, as far as book work be concerned, everything will get for begin play day, because now the future, now the life of the picking them, including even that of the country. Country not be progress, not be develop where book no day. Even if you see, even during the days of Mandela, time be the prison, even still insist, say me picking them go for book, me picking them go for school. And now that would encourage all people they make and this year would even try to encourage them for continue, because there is no Cameroon without a good and better education.
All right, and we will surely turn back for you some more time. Mami, La Gabonaise, you in the same picking them for school. When the team become for your ESA result for the year be better past last year? Sabi say last year plenty confusion, the problem for Norwest Southwest and other plenty team they make and plenty picking they no be fit for right. The year it did like say the team be calm down small. You hear result pass. As Sabi say the look out plenty picking them. You like Mami for house. When you be hear the result this year, as Sabi say most of we dinner for back and GCE, some the same picking them. How will be see the result?
For the year, it finds small, because that problem for Anglophone which Francophone never first finish time where you go for that side for Southwest where the year the problem correct. But for the year it be better, because all man don't hear say if fancy the same picking them for school, and all man don't hear say fancy Cameroon be one for say plenty thing they go before.
All right, teacher, one enter back for talk this palaver result in the proper will be enter for your school for that side, so we try for see what in the secret for inside this book palaver.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Ambassador. I want for be very clear for you say, do you want to be here with the calculation na some different year for we. For my school where you don't see them for the Atlanta Bilingual College, Bonaberi, you will discover for this a result na the key with the whole that school tight. This year just come like another year for another failure for we, because this year they will get a lot of picking the way they come out for the various regions, Northwest and Southwest. And to be very candid, some of these picking will be very, very low in terms of output. But with the technical knowledge and technical know-how we will put that in place, we will try to see say catch-up classes they will get for B, we will recruit extra teachers, they will bring in a lot of GC examiners them. And along the line, the parents will really cooperate with us. And now we will continue to get classes, sometimes go end for 6 o'clock for night. We be sometimes you see parents they come for school say, hey, why when I keep picking up to this time? But yet they still rise, they begin the day inside class, they study. And at the end, all man they jubilate today, thanks to the effort of the founders of ABCHS.
All right, so we go remain for inside education side. We'll talk some more. We'll start with Mami now. We inside the week, Minister for College Book, Mapolina Novalunga, he come out some book for talk say school fees exam money, no one you know go enter for boss hand or principal hand. Say make all them they make accounts where they go to put that money for inside. Now I mean say na mommy then say will put the money inside account. Now papa then say they will carry the money put them for account. Like abonnents, when you hear that kind of thing, so if you say go help for say this choco the way that the principal they get them, boss they get them. If you say go stop with that kind of item we don't come up.
If I say, oh, we begin talk true, no be say the day for television, they will talk anything. For the sana, if you talk no day for anything, no go, you know, fi waka. Me, they not talk thing there for people that like people, their head not turn up fine. You say we the turn up, it talks. You say they choco for oh man, no man for the kamuno fit say they know the choco for you. Donc, you know fi help. Na talk for tele na oh.
So you check say that account the way they say me they make them, say me mommy they make us the principal they make and then they go to pay money for inside in no fee work.
In no fee work.
Now only for government school.
Na only for talk for say people yes say something then the way they not want say people know. But for those say they know if you make you open some society you open something. You don't say for yes, if man will turn up, it look that so people they eat that. They not choco for you Sunday you go tell for you say today you know go eat that. Don't that way you know feel help no be na some wonder for me.
Now, teacher, you say some education is we try for tell you this palava. You don't hear the tourists for the week. If you say the thing you work out, you go be na fine thing. You go stop this choco way. Plenty mommy that they ever suffer all time.
Yeah, I think one thing they very clear and I say it defines same way we accept change. Whether it be negative or positive, no first accept them, try first. Because thing we don't kill for Cameroon here, right from independent, I say we need one to accept, say, may change be. If you not change, you know whether something be good or be bad. The issue say minister bring out that text, reason they will bring her out. And we get for first, we receive them with a thanksgiving. Try, if you know what, before we start condemning. You need to find for condemn, begin with see for belly, we never born them outside. And if you say one of the reasons why the minister bring out that idea and I say an issue for corruption for Cameroon, it don't really be like blood way they inside your system. Where if you want move, if you want clean yourself, you must drain all that blood. So the minister we don't come now, it try for see say make the issue of corruption where don't be too rampant, especially inside the educational system. He made it try to reduce or they not be completely wipe them out. So for me, I believe say that particular idea fine for test them first before we condemn them.
Okay, so
me I know one for tester because I know how we Cameroon dey. If they be put that palaver for sing song for who for pay, say they would take fees good. It depends me say you come up for Bonaberry for which Bonakango you fancy you come up for your house for 9 heures. If you get some program for here for 12 heures, fancy come up for it be 3 heures de temps. Wait, now which change day? I know the CM. I know one say for taste time for me.
Okay. Now why that we call the one say pidgin is debate. Any man get own thing for talk. You don't say no one. A teacher to say well na better idea. Well, now for so palava for Stacy as well the thing work be plenty people that they ask people there they dey for village how they go do am. One day they dey for salary they no get money transfer agency, another one them how they do am. I believe some the minister for college book he dey hear all tori people them and maybe go find solution for people that they dey now for bush side where they no get bank or they no get even mobile telephone for that side for see how we go do am. We go left chapter for book small, we enter for different team for quarter sesep. We take una go for place where they call themselves say forever. Na road that for inside forever way it be done rotten. Plenty time for that side so for forever. Plenty people them say they should done for forever they don't cry for Sikadi road we don't rotten. Plenty hold them they dey for day water it dey turn up careless. People they say they know the fee for waka fine but on top the one na way their own mayor say the mayor for that side of the water for Orakum Frederick. He say better na for throw sansan for the whole them for semi population. He try for waka fine, but we no sabi whether the sansan where they throw away rain 2 4 for the week. He be already sweep all the sansan comot sabi say forever say be na one of the places where water rain. He be show people them pepper, but the one na roadway they so it don't ever the big problem for people them. He will thank God say we get even organ to move. It should done for forever maybe go tell we better for this road, but like a bonus I want ask you when mayor he don't start to do one so you feel say that way population be get for glad say thank you then they ask you for more or na say population just get for start to say no na work we be get for do am wey you know we don't do am.
I think say mayor problem wey dey na say the mayor no dey stay for the place. If you be dey stay for the place like I don't hear say for fix on route fine because you know if you wait time wey rain before you can fix on route the one so na for coach people. the rule ibidio tanwe rembi tanwe son bide tanwe place bidra ibi defense fix the rule no be now range for all place water di it for us for people you dey see some woman we no get self chop we go chop it carry bed with it pan dey take come for office and now it can fix for do what na for coach people for that one. If in a me they give me I will talk for it correct. I will talk for you say that one for coach people. And I say no, they stay for that quartier. If they may be stay for that quartier for forever. Like I don't hear say if fancy fix the route before rain bikina. No be now you can fix and they defend tele. That's why they hold me because now I will talk. They say like Gabonese they talk plenty. I will must talk because now when it when a time where tele they. Tant que they can bring camera, they can shoot say it is trouvé plenty. Now what you destroy am for day? You pass to the place. I never see say you don't throw am.
Agandumu, you don't have inside.
And maybe now where they get for fixed road. Transition be there way that pothole will still be there for that road. Why it go be now for this last moment where water don't the road don't cut where may go carry small 3 trip. Authority.
All right, so country people them palava for roads. Make we try for left that chapter. We go enter for inside market. Maybe for yet to La Gabonese. He go talk plenty on top the one. We take una go for melon inside the week. We be talk for now say woman they make business for melon. Then say they be make their own mash. But sabi say market them for Douala. They like say na market na sick for all market them. Market for melon when a big market where they give council money. The market it dirty. Poto dey for all sides. Now for empty ground where they put chop people where they can buy them. Even as we they talk say sick, it don't enter for town cholera palabam. But na so palava say they she don't na for on top ground for chop. Mami the way they una see them they pray so they vex. Mami them na one way they say granite, one day they say sharp sand, one day they say corn. Or the vex say bucket where they bring them for them now. So na bucket way the eastern major binet the fall for them. So for sika that one, mami they make serious mash. They talk say if na so they no go they sell their condemn sharp sand or even granite for people that they come outside where they can buy for inside market for melon. For sika that one, big man say be dey na bucket that where they talk say when they measure gari or they pull gari for inside bucket. Some people they go open the bucket and no understand. They open the bucket, bring them. Someone they talk say the new bucket they make them over big. They ever sell for 15 liters, but now so the bucket they na 30 liters. When they finish the day, they know they see no profit for inside the binary they do. And so for sika that one, they go meet the president, talk say if na so, they no go sell their thing them again. For sika say that then sesep they suffer, go for bush, go carry sesep they suffer, go for bush, go carry cassava, come make their sharp sand, but now buckets they make they know they get no gain inside their business. So they be deny, they say they no go enter them again for inside that palava. Last they be grieve for some one bucket now for day. They go to do all the measurement, one for 15 liters, so that they go to get their small gain for inside, and one day they want make losses, now them they sabi so. La Gabonese na palava for bucket, no be na no money they make bucket or ma to say people they make bucket. If you say they mami they be get right for make their mash for say say bucket over big where they sell granite, gari and even corn for inside 30 liters, 15 liters.
First thing the mami they get two problem. One problem na palava for bucket, number two problem na market not fine. Market na may or any money where they can take them for people 200, 100, or that one na for fixed market. I don't know place where the money they ever go. And they might meet them, that way, that mayor, they can give them some more rest, some more money, they glad say we get fan mayor. But now, I know hear their problem fan because Cameroon, I don't know where they want them. I don't know.
You don't know where they want them?
Yes.
Ma talk their problem. There one problem where they be asking for them and say the bucket over big. Say they make them big bucket them. So when you can sell, sabi say mami we don't go farm, don't suffer, so take carry cassava, bring and clean cassava, grind them, then fry garri, sun, charcoal, all thing don't do it. Then you can sell, then you no gain on top. That one analysis no.
Yes, analysis, but they change bucket.
Who change your bucket when they
Not them, not the mami they get for make. I think say for one market.
No, not the mami that they make the bucket.
Yes, but I think say for one market they get their big man way they talk for them. Now the big man get for go farm bucket where the mami they ask some for bring them for them.
Yeah, Mr. Ambassador, I sure say I feel quite small for day. Yeah, we know say the purpose of any business now for make profit. And thing where the worry now for say, you know, say it's just they not only for this mami they would say I'm today. He applied for all sectors in Cameroon as far as agriculture be concerned. The one are just one of the one who don't see them. If you see people they will make coffee first time, but how do they will cultivate coffee first time? Now people they in between the farmer them and the manufacturer they make plenty money. So what do we need for simple change the nature of the country? Follow up not day for any particular thing we do for the county. Follow up not day. The one would even talk say maybe problem for mayor for that market. Any marketplace get their own leader for the way they leader for the market. They will also supposed to notice this thing, complain since. But I'm glad as there's a saying say it be better to be late than never. The problem we don't say for this that now really true they talk say the people they come for buy they exploit them because the main market with the buy that garri with corn cancer and apodwala. And they didn't sell them for that kind of price. Means they over make plenty profit, but they kill the farmer. Then way they be involved for the cultivate that particular crop them for around Melon Day and other part for Cameroon. But then I want for talk say the nature too for the market to the count because our road too is not fine as you can already talk for here. If we see some people they go buy tomato for Fumbot, one can reach for Douala, the tomato plenty don't get bad. And if you don't buy them for the way, dear means for Douala go make plenty losses. So if you see say, if you find the government try to look problem for road for Cameroon. If road not there, development not there. Development they only follow na road. And if you see the structure we don't put out forever, our life will go this small. You realize say road not the go inside forever. Road not the cut between forever come up from Abanda. So if you look at it, say any man will go buy thing for inside my son for one can reach for it, play taxi then enter for inside it. So you expect so they go spend plenty money for enter. It means at the end now price must go up in order for cover. And I tell you they affect most of the women they will decide for here. So make government try for adjust, put a good standing program, then try to follow up so that may the kind of thing they come up because now a very big shame for country for people that they watch it cannot go reach for Europe. It's a very big shame.
All right. Palava for Binet, we'll keep them for one side. We go open with chapter now so for Wata. Douala, Ibidena, if you talk say headquarter for Wata to Sumo, for this week we just finish. We go talk Sumo, we go enter for one place first. Now for roundabout for Cité des Palmiers Bidis. Now place where it is so people there if one common Dokoti, go for the Peka 8 them, Peka 9 them, Peka 10, anyone. Now for that side it goes. So now the way this way that roundabout, it be them for this week, for Seka the plenty railway for. And for people there they don't pass for that roundabout, place where you see that water plenty, they did do some work, say they want open they want put that quota for up, they want put the road for up, so that water, if you pass on that, they make some small picking bridge for corner, where it is so water into, after the way for, it chakara the bridge, through for one side, so it make population, it be force. Now for waka inside water, as well rain it fall for that side, so for Carrefour Cité des Palmiers, as well they call them, and Carrefour way as well talk for them. One, it enter for Cité des Palmiers, other one, you go for all the Peka 8, Peka 7, Peka 9, Peka 10, so te Peka wait you want put them. So now the condition that for that road will be there, plenty work people them. They no be fit for go for workplace early for Sika this rain. Now so to one day they come off from Dokoti where they want enter for the Peka them. They no be fit for fit enter even sick people them. it be then a big trouble for them for climb go sell for Cité des Palmiers hospital. So now the nature that for that road and sabi say one of the hospital then do it they so they go dey surely use them for this man damba wey go dey happen. Now hospital for Cité des Palmiers road in no day and the kind of condition. Now the first one that way we go talk this afternoon. Then we go work and enter for different quarter them for see the condition for water for inside this week. Now, Ogandumu, this rain for Douala first we go concentrate for here as I say we go for enter for your quarter again. But when you see the kind of condition that work, government delegates be don't give them for some company, they give them 24 months for finish that work. I know sabi whether they don't pass a day. They sabi say they don't do some small corner roads. They make some small light bridge on top. Where people they will pass. When you see that kind of condition, then the same month, women Damba go the pass for 2019, waiting they come for your head like correct Cameroon man.
Yeah, Mr. Ambassador, when you talk, I laugh sometimes because when you say man Damba go come pass small time, I really doubt whether that man Damba go come because when I see level of preparation for Cameroon, you have be low, you have be slow. I think during the past years, they don't see different African countries. They don't host this African Nation Cup. Cameroon be one of the countries where they don't the one host the cup. There a lot of ambiguity, a lot of not even pressure. The way the laxity way they show no follow up. You know I don't make we look very even nature of a road for country. You know take for example some road will be there for forever before I come for here for forever SSF we be na for main road where they will corner that Presbyterian church for the way they will make bridge now on top. Water they be pass now on top road. So when I never see that technology for some other place for the world apart from Cameroon. And the former minister of public work we construct that road. Can't put water the common now, the pass now on top road, not for under. So when you see the country start asking and say for the country, people and they really follow up on a job for country don't give work like you don't talk say they don't give that particular work for they see thing where they pass today. It be a very big shame. If you see for their sign post for they don't say now work for 24 months. But this guy says that 24 months will return about work for about some 3-4 years. We will come. Now they don't come begin show them something because they don't know when I say man die. If they don't hear say people don't die for day 20, 30, 40, at that time they call it carapita run come for day. But now as it is so, they don't already start the 1 week say, look out danger day. And as that danger they come, you no go see them. You go see now the population they should run for day. So we try for beg the government delegate for this particular city council. Say may they try for designate power, may go down small because this problem now because of over centralization of power. All the council will know for most of the decision they come on for the urban council. And when it occurs, so it shows say work not go effectively. Now I would talk about the issue of decentralization of power. It be very necessary for any country we want to develop. And if you look keenly, take for example, the particular water with the Siam. Now the mean when you say Douala now what? Now wait, Douala na Cameroon. Because if you want to see the best thing, the best player of Cameroon, you get to be nice Douala, the economic capital. If it be sometimes, yes, some kind of funny at laugh sometimes, they say some white man will come out say yes, Douala is some fine town. You want come visit them. Can't come up for airport for here. Then pass they go reach towards Bafusam. Then they ask them whether they never reach for the Douala. Because they expect for see Douala like some major big city. But it be the past 9 star which kind of place. Look at that kind of road them. So with the talks and make people and try make the people they lead we, may they really try for say may they live a better Cameroon for we in future.
La Gabonese, this phase for Douala for Cité des Palmiers inside the week. How you check?
Tawa the low image it is family for la plenty because all place for Douala na so. Self tiwe then I say fancy time where Cameroon they go for that robo they ever go all day so for France for other country they look how way they work for day. They take for example take Kamba because they ever see them for tele for where they go for all that woman country to say they go learn how they fix who them they go learn how they fix water. I think say never make too much like abisiam for where they to say big people don't go for that country for see how they make water they put the water so they come for here make them but now it pass me say you know what make say 1 year Douala again as so the one problem and time way they make and so I don't know. I don't get talk plenty because.
All right, from Cité des Palmiers roundabout will be B2 for forever inside the week. Palava for rain, palava for water for house. Ebidena palava for people them for tie hats. waka for inside rain for that side, so for inside forever we go take una enter. So e be dey to na big trouble for forever as we water meet up people them right for inside their house. One day wey they wan go sell their pop-off, they be only get for enter na for water for reach for road for see as they go sell their pop-off. If they will sell am, one day they no be fit for comot, they only turn up for that before they dey look as the water e don pass them. But sabi say the one day they be get from heart na dem say enter for inside the water. So con the people them they try for see as they fit march inside water go do their business them. But e be dey na one for inside forever as the water e plenty for road so they comot e enter for inside people their house them. Plenty people them they blame na some water way they make am for that side. They say some bridge where the bridge itself e no even fit for carry plenty water. Say na that bridge e overflow so they e throw for outside. So people them for forever they be then too they be inside pot soup as we rain before. And the one e be then a rain way for now only for one day. How the rain e go be if it for fall na 2 days, 1 week. Now only palava for she don't quiet for wait. Now another image la Gabonese. The one a jody for your corner. Forever no over far away from you. Oh, you see the kind one then so again. There you see.
No, forever no far away from me.
No far away from you.
Me I know they for forever. I know they play water day.
Okay. So when you see the one then, so you need the first Sunday if you reach your own house too.
No, not feel reach for my house because I know place where you know my house. My house no be any kind house for Douala. Tiwa get for town I say fancy any man no place where the bad place for be house. If you not get money for be house, leave am. Go for place where you feel stay pay for any month because problem they say they go talk plenty for État for Cameroon other one but we say will be responsible for something them because mandika is it say the place and the place with the sell for you say the city water the common for down or some water the pass for corner that place with the sell for you want buy am say the buy wati because say for forever or for other place you the see place where people don't be as for day. You never make 2 Sunday how I be see am where they become move house for some woman because don't come be house for on top water. If I say any man na money where the move from take buy something and for buy am if I say sitting where the buy am and you say you take say if you are bad thing it will leave me they don't the be house for be am now the problem that they don't feel they any day for talk say Eta don't do this Eta don't do all that one. I think the problem for Douala day number first thing if I say people not be again house for place where water the pass because if it be house for on top water will also take place like a DMF will get them so.
Now you facing a palaver for place where people they build house keep them or na say na the way they plan the town na the thing that will cause all the water there.
Yeah, I will talk for the 2 factors. The 2 factors they be responsible. The way people did build and the way they plan the town too. For the particular roadway before you say for one day, I don't always begin talk like a geographer say we get global warming, we get climate change. But the one for Douala here, with the reach on stage where if it rainfall for 2-3 days, 90% of the population go there on top roof for house. 90% of the population. You know, whether you build house outside, Douala na a coastal town. Coastal town means a big town will be bordered by the sea.
They for
corner water. And when we talk about this issue of water is one of the most dangerous elements as far as life be concerned. It be best for maintain life. It be dangerous too for destroy life. But when we talk about issue for floods, where it be one of the common phenomena, not only for Douala here, but the one for Douala here, they blame one at the first start with the way the government plan the town. When you see, when they want to construct road, like the road they don't construct them between Nouvelle Road and Ancien Road, they need to preview gutter for day. Even when they preview gutter for day, they build them just about some, maybe 2 meters or 3 meters. They go there, they go trace them, so they go see, they make the water go empty itself inside big water. But when you trace them, just leave them, means you don't punish the population, they live below that place. Now the main problem that we face them, between Douala here and even Limbe where they see them. So it's an issue of poor urban planning. And people that for council their main work now for draw plan for town. They follow the hydrological cycle. For say if rain fall between the time where the rain go start and the time where the rain go end, which way it will be the peak of the what we call the runoff. So they now take now for maintain gutter a day. But if we talk about Cameroon, say Cameroon going for emerge for 2035, then at this stage small rain fall for 1 day, then the whole town they almost be covered. Then I thought so we get problem. We get big problem. Then the second factor, now the issue for the way people did build. If you look for inside forever there and other parts, Discuss the people the bill as Mario the governor don't really talk for the enter inside water swampy area. Small below they get for even dig for same open them like a canal. People did the bill go reach for, and at the end they narrow the passage of the water, and something they get for no for life say you don't ever stop water. We feel begin push and they go, but they way the water go vex, they won't come back. You know, we stop it first. Yes, so now the talks inside Douala and even Limbe may they be very careful for the way they plan the town and for the way they allow people to construct. We see at the see sometimes they talk about our own mentality and that of the government. Now it place for the government for no say this place where they give for construction, not fine. Make the government they live until when they don't construct, so they finish begin stay for day. After some years before the run can begin say they broke up. That one not show any sense. Immediately they start for construct, the government give for can broke up, put injunction for day. Now so they talk about planning and follow up. Maybe only for can run for office say don't build here. No. People they get for day where they get for the go for field. For follow up say make the particular quarter, now so you get for B, now so they get for draw, now so road get for pass. Now so you get for B.
But and now we never move money for go find problem because you know if you buy some place, you know say this place I go put 300 million money for day. You take you go for governor, you give money say they give titre or they give D1. If they deny you come you make 3 niveaux 4 niveaux it means say if you water come they will come boot the house they nobody log your eye because you move you know if you move money put them for something way you know say tomorrow it will give you problem.
Yeah, Madame Le Gabonese, I need to deny you the talk. You are the only talk for you and say all these things they go. You see, when they want put law, the law is sweet for all man. Where they say if man tip the key, all man the vote them. But that way don't catch you now. They say no, that law they never find plenty. I tell you the face. For you, we don't really know say if the Cameroon has some country where they ever talk say corruption for daily man we get HIV, we blood be contaminated. You get to drain that blood off because it start from the higher level right up to the lower level. All man for Cameroon be corrupt. And when you talk about that level of corruption now, if you buy plot, wait till it happen. You want to go buy plot, they show you land title, you see them. But now you want to go to the land title and a fake one. How you go money know? You get matter for court, you follow them for inside 5 years.
Buy some place, water you pass for corner. The water will pass now for because naturally fancy you check first.
When you talk say water the pass, that particular water will that rain will fall that day will cover the whole town. Never be an issue for whether you buy the plot now for side. Because even from my school says for Ansen Road, water enter for day. So nobody talks say Ansen Road a problem.
Ansen no problem. Water there for all place.
Good water there for all place, no good. So you want to go talk. Look at the area of Cameroon. Look at the area of Douala. Look for the particular area where they talk about dry land. How many people they fit construct inside that dry land? So Douala not be swampy. I just be in a lowland area. Need only better drainage, Madame Le Gabonese. Better drainage.
So last we don't talk other one town planning. Who gets for do the one and if you say things if you change quick for say make the thing no repeat. If you say if you come back for the board they try for make things quick for you know say may no repeat or if you say don't let.
Master talk no nothing. Ambassador sorry. Ambassador I want to talk what the thing very clear and I say me know say issue for change it never ever be late. They find for start something even now. When you talk about this problem say may they leave them or may they start them. For me, if they even start them now, so it could be more better. Because as I talk, prevention is better than cure. The one way you fall for it now just for 1 day, as I tell you. But just give us some time inside August with the end of the day. If you first time with the year, they talk say 7-day August. For their own way, 7-day August, they never finish them. 7-day August means as the 7-day we rain before every day. The one are just July 1 day rain, and we don't some people the day on top roof. It now gave for tell you say the day way that really 7 days go reach for here. Man, some people they could see them now on top roof for house. So maybe the government start for maybe that. I mean the council, never only the council, they get the minister of town planning and the rest. May they join together for see say all play with the water the disturb. I'm not only we don't go for now. You don't see it happen. It happen for now.
Even for marijuana.
You get for marijuana. Because Madame Le Gabonese talks say go buy plot, waiting for down for day. That na coastal town. No.
Yes.
No, marijuana be coastal town. Na dry land, na for desert. But see for the go for it. Don't even keep for the pass for here. Yeah. So it may they try for planting before it happen as ambassador. May the planting.
Okay, we will enter back for forever for talks even sick people that they be here bad for sick of this rain. Plenty of the sick people there, they be there for instance on small clinic for forever. They be forced for commot. All man run, he wear by force. We'll be enter to for that one. Con the people there, we could try for enter for inside there before enter for different side. We go take una two. We go a little bit small time. But we could take una go back for that hospital for inside forever. We water it be enter so for inside the now the hospital that even as soon as they see water we plenty so plenty people they be check say this water it go surely stop. You know go enter for inside hospital. But if follow enter for hospital, we enter to for the hospital for check sick people them whether they did all sick people that we don't run come out for sickness water it be almost even carry beds it come out. Yes, all sick people they almost come out. Even doctor say you know be get place for putting food. Now place that way doctor they work even for the water turn up so they be almost cover all thing for inside there. Even sick bed them no one sick man will be there. All mattress them they be done the double mattress on top of another one. For tell you say na just one day rain wait for do alarm. Sick people they say water no fear, you know give them even sorry heart, enter, they carry sick people them come out and one day they be fit for run, they run come out. So now so the rain it be happen people them for inside forever. So now just a picture that for rain for one day, Lagabones will talk small on top the one, then we jump enter for another palaver for roads, we for sicker the rain too, it don't make plenty people they don't know if you work go here when they. Now if you say that hospital say we be dinner for workplace or na that kind of thing for hospital there.
No, na say tu es du famille pour là na say tawa de look say people that with the sick be finish because if you no run water go take you take go but if I say the immediate say big people where they get Cameroon locam and make something because tawa did it for daughter so move people where they sick enough.
Madame le Gabonese, I like that part way you talk because for me I believe say just that water make some people they don't wear them because when man is die they run. So Sigma we there for bed you come out run so they don't wear away.
The sick be finished for
no sick finish.
All right. Danger for water. Well, with the laugh, but plenty people they be here bad. With the laugh, but some.
No, but I said that way pass you. You get that so for life because if you be picking fire, you know go cry again. That's what. No, we say they laugh because you fine.
No, they say not true. Say
I just see some place people the way they sleep. Why not they for woke up? But they don't want. Oh, you never see no man way there for bed because they don't see say that they come.
Really sick man go there for bed. Really sick man is sick enough to work for their bed. But if you see that bed then they empty, means
no man not they
get any man way.
Because they don't say if you stay, you know go work.
And this thing to the try for LFW mode, it looks on the kind of image and for begin see the kind hospital with get up for country because if you see from the structure everything for the show say mode try for begin
no plenty thing.
Yes, no plenty thing. I don't want to talk plenty go because those are personal business. But I like for encourage them they begin try for follow up for see say make the kind thing, the kind place. If the person not be up to the standard, may state try for subsidizing so that may they produce something better because it really look a type.
No fun.
All right, last thing we'll talk this afternoon. We'll talk Limbe for up. We'll talk this Palava for road. Nadine, make we take people then go for that side for road for Nyasa. Where plenty people then said they don't suffer since Wednesday for Sika roadway. It don't spoil. Yes, road for Nyasa too. Plenty railway for it make people they hear bad and if don't make them to walk. On top that side for roadway cut for Sika plenty rain, plenty people they blame. Say now for Sika say the road say no video better place. Now number 2 time with that same place and the same road in the cut when rain 84. And Minister says for Palava for roads, Ogan Ganunjimesi, he don't talk say by this afternoon, if all thing they find, by this afternoon, the other small picking roadway they go make for people there for the pass, it go don't surely the pass. Sabi say since the rain start form for that side and we rain a cut road, it cut small, it don't make people there where they work go Yaoundé, they hear back. Now we go talk small on top the Palava for road, as Sabi say that road, now the most important thing. Ogan Dumu, roads and people them for waka ufi say ngom na be get for wait so na now where they say this same place for this same road we don't fair cut before.
Yes, I want for talk say we really at times they blame the government and when we blame them too they contribute some more blame them because one thing will be clear for we say we always wait make something happen before we run for go day. If you see many of these roads them way they accident they even come out today for most of the highway them a good number of them it be caused by the nature of our road And when you see like this one, this now roadway they link two major towns for Cameroon, two major towns. So if you see this kind of road for this kind of nature, this kind of road they collapse, the town be cut off for about 1 or 2 days, it really show a very bad image as far as country be concerned. It really show a very bad image. And they only even go further say, even the company they fix the road, they not feel they the only one away for to get their money. Because when you make road get a particular span of time between 15 to 25 years. But they fix road today, they want be tomorrow, the road don't really spoil. And the control bureau already come, control them, give tick, say that road be perfect. They feel use them. But after 3 days, that road they down. Bridge the do so okay, with the only turn out, say they don't collapse. If that road one collapse or that one collapse, people they be dead.
For night.
For night.
Put them for night.
Waiting for happen. Waiting for happen. Over the we don't lost people them. Any one soul will come on the loss, now a big loss for the whole country, because you don't know where that particular person for be for future. So then I for help this country for future. But we just make blood, we just go anyhow, we just look at it now far with the slaughter them. You know correct. We will try for the be proactive rather than reactive.
Lagabonese roads for Douala, they try for terrorists by this afternoon. All thing waka fine, it go surely the pass. Now they construct only they don't make them for motor they'll pass while they walk on top the main road.
They will not fit pass because all the way they talk na it come off for it for some side because that way they can they put na BB motor then tell people how way the road go pass, how way they don't put plenty money. If you see their motor, you see say na BB motor, they know the work for motor for small money, you get na about 30 million, na motor for 40 million. Like my own way turn for down the bed, they will talk na BB French for people, and na who that wanna fix them? Na oh.
All right, and just for Sabi say the same to a pass for Douala, Limbe on to be wawa. We be sorry we no go fit turn back for talk that palava Limbe because of for sikase time in no day for we sites. Ogandumu, as Sabi say you be schoolman, your last talk before come up for you.
Yes, Mr. Ambassador, I want to try for say me parent and Mary knows education be very important. And now we only say pure and they way do not fit send their own giving for regular schools. Yes, like day school and so they be shut up time, money no day. So one them they want work before they go school. Mary no say wait and day. Even in school they even they around town. Where they encourage for picking them way they never get advantage or go for school. May they go school. May all man be learning today. I be happy saving for my evening school for town here for Oxford evening school. You see part they can't pack motor for the way it cost 80 million enter for class. And I get one for the way get A level this year for 3 pass way and a person where they almost about 60 years. So I encourage me all man learn. Learn never only for learn go work. Only for be educated. It be very important. If I don't get person where they don't sit down for evening school, mommy will begin that exam. It make only 2 years. Get pay O level, get another year, get advanced level. He get 4 for advanced level, he begin get 2 paper. When na mommy, I mean a Igbo woman. So many people then send begin for school, make people then go school. It be very important.
All right, Lagabonese, last talk. We're glad for me to be for this side today.
Yes, last time I say fancy the fix road for that side where people they suffer plenty. So because for Jingon, if you get, you know, fit also people where they not get and die, and the money they were na money where they don't put them for work. If fancy people where they don't get the money, say they take fix road, say they take fix plenty thing, they fix them. Me they not can turn talk na plenty thing them way you know the year ahead for day.
All right, so now so we see PG News debate for today. One send with big Asia for family for that side for Chief for Lisuka for Boya where we hear say they meet up Idai too big Asia for that side. And just for Sabi say rebroadcast for Tori for PG News debate day for 8:30 for Sunday. Thank you plenty Ogandumu.
Thank you, Mr. Ambassador, and I hope say next time I will try to be better than today.
All right, thank you plenty, Lagabonese.
All people where they Louis, Sa Majesté, all Sa Majesté, then where they Louis, Chef Ondanti, Chef Boibo, Chef Otuni, Chef Bafa, all that were the plenty, I not figuring them for people.
All right, we we go meet up, or me, I go meet up with Una for Monday for some time. Once a big thank you, various Madame Guafo, Danny Warren Zede, and even you Faren Bunya, all na join hand for program for Waka Fine. Now, for Monday for me.